Some apps on your phone are running right now, even if you haven't opened them today. Yes, they can still drain your battery, use your mobile data, and even access information quietly in the background. Most people think that when they swipe an app away from the recent apps screen, it's completely closed. But that's not true. Closing an app from recent apps only hides it from view. It does not fully stop the app from running. Many apps continue working behind the scenes. They may still be syncing data, refreshing content, tracking your location, sending notifications, connecting to the internet, or even communicating with remote servers. And all of this can happen silently without you realizing it. That's why sometimes your battery drains unusually fast. Your mobile data disappears even when you're not browsing. Your phone suddenly feels warm in your hand, or your device slows down for no clear reason. And you might think, why is this happening? I'm not even using my phone. The answer is simple: background activity. Some apps don't need to be open on your screen to stay active. In fact, background processes are built into both Android and iPhone systems. They exist to make apps feel fast and convenient. For example, email apps refresh to show new messages instantly. Social media apps preload content so feeds open faster. Navigation apps keep tracking your location. Cloud storage apps sync files automatically. These features are useful, but the problem is, not all apps use background activity responsibly. Some apps run far more than they need to. Some keep refreshing constantly. Some track location even when unnecessary. Some send usage data to servers. Some run auto-start services every time your phone restarts. And over time, this can cost you battery life, mobile data, device performance, and sometimes even privacy. The good news? You can see it. And more importantly, you can control it. Let's go step by step. First, check your battery usage. Go to your phone settings, then open battery, and look for battery usage. Here, you can see which apps are consuming the most power. Pay special attention to apps showing high background usage. If an app has been running in the background for hours but you rarely use it, that's a red flag. It means the app is working silently without your knowledge. Second, check your mobile data usage. Open Settings, go to Network or Data Usage, and review which apps consume data. You may be surprised to find some apps using data even when you never open them. This means they're refreshing content or syncing information quietly. On Android, you can disable background data for specific apps. On iPhone, you can turn off Background App Refresh to stop apps from updating when not in use. This alone can significantly reduce data consumption. Third, disable Auto Start apps if you use Android. Many Android phones have a setting called Auto Start, App Launch, or Startup Manager. Some apps automatically start every time you turn on your phone. Most of them don't actually need to. Turn off Auto Start for apps like shopping apps, games, or rarely used tools. Only keep it enabled for essential apps like messaging or security apps. Fourth, check your location permissions. Go to Settings, then Privacy, and open Location Services. Many apps request Always Allow access, but in most cases, they don't need it. Change permissions to While using the app for apps that don't require constant tracking. This not only saves battery, it also protects your privacy. Fifth, for advanced users on Android, you can enable developer options. Inside developer options, there's a section called Running Services. Here you can see real-time processes currently active on your device. This gives you a deeper look into what your phone is actually doing behind the scenes. However, be careful. Never force stop system apps unless you fully understand their function. Stopping essential system processes can cause instability. Finally, remove suspicious apps. If an app drains battery quickly, uses data without explanation, requests unnecessary permissions, runs constantly in the background, and you don't truly need it, the simplest solution is to uninstall it. Remember, every app installed on your phone has the potential to consume resources. Your phone should work for you, not against you. By controlling background activity, you can extend battery life, save mobile data, improve phone performance, reduce overheating, and protect your personal information. Small settings changes can make a huge difference. So take a few minutes today to check your background apps. Your battery, your data plan, and your privacy will thank you. And if you want more simple, practical phone security tips, stay tuned.